Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the LeetCode problem bird pattern. So given a pattern and a string, find if a string follows the same pattern. Here follows means a full match such that there is a bijection between a letter in pattern and a non-empty word in string. So here in example 1 we have pattern A B B A and a string has the word dog, cat, cat, dog. So if we try to map, dog will map with A, then cat map with B, then another cat should also map with B, which is following the same pattern B, and the last again A, so it should be a dog. So how we will solve this problem? So one of the way we will basically mark the bird like here, let's understand over here. So we will store the bird with their character mapping. So let's say dog, we will scan through word by word or the character by character, and then we will keep in a hash map dog maps with A. Then we see cat, cat maps with B. Now we encounter another cat, we will check in the map if cat is already contains, we will check yes, and then we will check if the current character which is corresponding to the cat index is same as the previous cat. So here it is same, so this will be continue, and similarly for this dog the A will be contains and A is same as the current, so it is correct. So hence the answer, we will scan through all the birds and answer will be written true. If let's say instead of dog here it is let's say some other fish, so we will check fish is in not in the map, and so dog will map with A, cat will map with B, cat will map with B. So this will be, so we will check fish is in the map, not fish. So this will return again true, but it should be false because A is already tied up with the dog, while we are again tidying up A with the fish. So this will create a issue if we use the one map like bird to character. So for fixing this we can use two maps, one is bird to character, another from character to bird. So we will keep like A character is already assigned to the word dog, similarly B character is assigned to the bird cat. Now when we encounter fish and A, then first we will check is fish contains in map, no, then we will simply map again, try to map fish with the A. But we need to also check whether A is contains in map, yes, if A's get value is equals to current bird, A's get bird is so is equal, no, so in that case B will return false. So this will help us to solve this problem using the two hash maps. One is we will store the bird to character mapping, and in another we will store the character to the bird mapping. So this is the solution for the approach. So here we are just checking if the length of number of birds and the number of character is not same, we will straightforward return here false. Then we are creating two maps, and then we are checking if the current word is in the map and the character at that current word is same or not the current pattern character. Similarly we are doing for character to word, like if character contains in the char to word map, then we are checking if it is not same, any of these condition get false, we like get true, we will return here false itself, otherwise we will add this in. So this is the straightforward simplest solution, and the time complexity of this solution is also O of n, and space can be O of n. So how we will solve with other way, like a more smart way, like if you know, like if we insert into the map like map.pub, if we use the map.put method with let's say key and value, so whenever we do in the map the put method call, this put method return the previous value if the key exists in the map. Previous value from the map if it exists, otherwise null. If it is not exist, then it return null key value. So how we will use this approach? So instead of checking whether it is contains or not, we will directly put these value inside the map and check whether the previous written value is same or not. So again we will, let's first use again two maps. One is for character to bird and another is for bird to character. So let's say if I add dog, and here another important thing to note, like every word, if we tied up with put their indexes like 0 here, 1 2 3. So first we will check for dog index, like we will add dog, put dog comma index of this dog is 0. If it is equals to not equals to same, so we will another add into the different map which is character to word, like a comma index which is 0. So this both of them doesn't have right now initially, so both of them will return null. So this condition will be false. So we will continue. Now we will do for cat and b as well, and when we reach here another cat and b, so this map will contain, both of the map will contain an index, like cat like bird to index map will contain index of 1, and the character b to character to index map will contain again index 1. When we try to put this again into our both of the map, we will return the previous value. So we will again compare. If 1 not equals to 1, then return false, otherwise keep continue. So this way we will also solve using the index map. So let's quickly implement this solution. So first of all we will check the length again. So first convert the words. So this is string birds is equal to str dot split with the space, and then check if pattern dot length if not equals to birds dot length, then return false from here itself. Otherwise start from int I equals to 0 and continue till the birds dot length and I plus plus. Now we need the two map. One map is for string to index. Okay, this will be a bird to index, let it, and like it is very big, it is fine. So let's say new hash map, and now we need another map which is map from character to index to hold the char to index. New hash map again initialize with this. Now we will use the put method way. So if this bird to index, so we will add first put the current words of I comma I not equals to the char to index pattern dot char at I comma I, then return false, otherwise keep continue. So with this way we are also checking map dot contains and the get, and also putting all the three is happening here as compared to this code. If you see, we are doing first checking whether it is contains, then get comparing, and then if it is not, then we are putting. So these three calls can be done with the put method itself. So this is how in the end, if we don't return false from anywhere else, we will return true. So it is following the pattern. So let's compile the code. So there is a compilation error. Oh, I use the index integer instead of integer. It is integer, not the index. Integer, yeah. So this should compile now. So let's see. There is char2 dot index. So what is that method char2 dot? So I am adding char pattern dot char at I comma I. So this is character, integer is correct here. So we are adding words as I here, and this should be a put method, not the without anything else. So we need to put the values here. So hope it will compile this time. Yeah, it's compiling and we are getting the correct answer as well. So let's submit the solution first, and it is giving a wrong answer because we are iterating here with the primitive integer. So this kind of silly mistake can happen because we are inserting the primitive integer. So this will return instead of null 0 in case of this guy. So we have to use a integer class like object integer. So let's submit it again, and it is accepted. So this is the solution. But if you see, we can also do this in with the one map itself, because like instead of mentioning character or integer, we just define the map reference to map and use this as a, let's say, map, and here we will check this map dot put. So this time this will be added as a object, like string and character will be added into our map as a object to object. So we will compare the object. So let's submit this as well, and let's see, and it is accepted. So the time complexity of the solution is O of n, and the space complexity is also O of n. So if you like my solution, hit the like button and share in your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching.